So this is one of the example. Let's take another example here. So say my expression is like 3x plus 5 and my denominator is x minus 2 whole squared plus, not plus, into, here it will be multiply x into x plus 3. This is what I have here. Now, as I said, this is a repeated factor. So we'll have to write a upon x minus 2 plus b upon x minus 2 whole squared and then plus b upon x plus 3. We'll do is we need to find out what is ABC. Okay. So for that, what we will be doing, we'll be taking the LCM so that x minus 2 whole squared, sorry, and into x plus 3. Now, this is what is my LCM. You know how to x minus 2, it will be divided by x minus 2 one time and x plus 3. So this will be a into x minus 2 into x plus 3. This is gonna be b into x plus 3. And this is gonna be c into x minus 2 whole squared. Now, I'll have to resolve it. So this will become x square minus 2x plus 3x will be minus 6. I'm quickly doing it. Have a look as to how we are doing it. X plus 3. And this will be c into x square minus 4x plus 4. So I'm not writing the denominator anymore because this is gonna be the same. So we'll have, you can write a plus c into x square, and then I'm separating all the coefficient of x and x square. So this will be a plus 3b minus 4c into x, and then finally it will be plus minus 6a plus 3b plus 4c. This is just now. So I was multiplying a with x square. I was multiplying c with x square. So I was separating out all the x square term. Okay. So here I'm getting a x square. Here I'm getting c x square. I took x square common, so this becomes for a plus c.
Yes.
2x minus 4 into c. So a, I'm taking x common, so this will be a coming from here, 3b coming from here, 4c coming from here. And then finally, I'm looking at constant term, which is minus 6a plus 3b plus 4c. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare it with the numerator, wherein my numerator is something like this. 0 into x square plus 3 into x plus 5. If I'm comparing it, what I'm getting is my a plus c should be equal to 0. My a plus 3b minus 4c should be equal to 5, sorry, 3. And minus 6a plus 3b plus 4c should be equal to 5. Is it a plus b and then minus 4c? Yes. And then minus 6a plus 3b. You're right. Now from here I can say that a equals to minus c. So then I'll put this a equals to minus c here. So this will become 5a plus b equals to 3. Similarly here also I'll put minus 4a. This will become minus 10a plus 3b equals to 5. So this will be my second and third equation. What I'll do is I'll multiply it with 2 and add this. So this will become 5b. This will become 6 plus 5, 11. So b will become 11 by 5. If b is 11 by 5, then a is 3 minus 11 by 5, 4 by 5. So this a will be 4 by 25. Now I've got my numbers a, b, c, right? C will be minus 4 by 25. So I'll put this back here. So what I'll get is 4 upon 25 into 1 upon x minus 2 plus 11 by 5 into 1 upon x minus 2 whole square plus, not plus, minus 4 by 5 into 1 upon x plus 3 is what will be this expression. What I did is I put this back over there. So this is what is my final expression, 3x plus 5 upon x minus 2 whole squared into x plus 3 would be equal to. Okay, the next example could be, I can take an example here, which is like, let's take a simple one, x plus 2. And here, let's say x minus 2. And this should be, say, x square plus x plus 1. So this is what is my expression here. So I'm saying that this should be written as a upon x minus 2. Oops. And this should be written as b upon, not b, bx plus c upon x square plus x plus 1. Okay. So in the next step, I have to find out ABC. So then I'll be multiplying x minus 2 into x square plus x plus 1. Then a into x square plus x plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 2. Then I'll be trying to solve this. I will get ax square plus ax plus a, and then I will get bx square minus 2bx plus cx minus 2c upon x minus 2 into x square plus x plus 1. In the next step, I will be having a plus b into x square plus a minus 2b plus c into x plus a minus 2c upon x minus 2 into x square plus x plus 1. And here you can just compare it. You can say that a plus b is actually equal to 0. Your a minus 2b plus c would be equal to 1. And your a minus 2c should be equal to 2. So your a is actually equal to minus b. Then you put it here, then this will become 3a plus c will be equal to 1. And a minus 2c will be equal to 2. Call this as 1 and 2. Multiply this with 2 and add this. So then you get 7a will be equal to 4 and a will be equal to 4 by 7. Then c will be 1 minus m, right? So x minus 2 into x square plus x plus 1. And then this is basically I'm saying that 0 into x square plus 1 into x plus 2 is what I'm seeing here. So I'm comparing the coefficient. X square's coefficient is a plus b. Here x square coefficient is 0. Here x's coefficient is a minus 2b plus c. Here x's coefficient is 1. Here constant term is a minus 2c, where it is 2. I got a, c, and b, all that is got. Then we can just put back and then we'll get the values here. Okay.